In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off app icon notifications on your device. App icon notifications are those little numbers or dots that appear on top of the app icons. They indicate the number of unread messages or notifications for that particular app. While these notifications can be helpful at times, they can also become quite overwhelming and distracting. Thankfully, there is a way to turn off app icon notifications, providing us with some peace and quiet. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Notifications. After that, tap Advanced Settings. And now you'll see an option called App Icon Badges. To turn off app icon notifications, simply toggle off this switch over here. And now, when you have notifications, it won't show you a little dot or a number on the top right of an app icon. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.